Hey everyone! If we're using Firefox and decide that we no longer need a Google account, it's important to delete it properly and safely. Deleting a Google account is a big step because it affects Gmail, YouTube, Google Drive, and other Google services linked to that account. When we delete a Google account, we remove an account we no longer use. This helps us protect our privacy and simplify our online presence. Some of us delete accounts to reduce digital clutter, avoid certain services, or improve security. Since deleting a Google account permanently removes access to emails, files, photos, and subscriptions, we need to follow the correct process so we don't lose important data. Now follow me, because I will teach you step by step on how to delete your Google account in the simplest way. So even if you're new, you can follow along. Let's do this in Firefox to make sure the process goes smoothly with our browser. First, we open our Firefox browser. We go to www.gmail.com and press Enter. When the page loads, we click Sign In at the upper right corner. We log into our account and click Next. We enter the password and save if prompted. We can skip any extra steps if needed. When we're on the main page, we go to the Account section. Here, we click the mini profile and go to Manage Profile. Next, we go to Data and Privacy. Under Data and Privacy, we find the option to delete our Google account. We click this option, then click Delete Your Account. It will ask if we're sure about this. We check the acknowledgement box to confirm we want to delete it permanently. After reading and you're ready to delete your account, you check the two boxes, and then we click Delete Account. That's how we delete a Google account using Firefox. Before we confirm the deletion, we should back up any important emails, files, or photos. Once the account is deleted, it cannot be recovered. Taking a few extra minutes to review everything can help us avoid losing important data forever.